This is a buffalo. Buffaloes are farm animals. They also give us milk. What sound does a buffalo make? A buffalo says, nice. This is a donkey. Donkeys are farm animals. They help carry heavy loads. What sound does a donkey make? A donkey says,
Hee-haw!
good job!